That's it. You get to catch hold. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Right.
Now,
Watch Judith.
we're going to you're going to have to hold it slightly. Yes, let go a bit. I'm going to put it through your hands.
There we
There we
go.
are. Now, raise your hands right up above your head.
Like a big pool.
And the hands, whoops, the hands have to be on top of each other like that. So you've got to
Turn it that way.
turn it that way. Now we're going to just keep your hands in that position
Probably the other hand has to be on the top, yeah.
and just like that. Let go, up. Now hold tight, okay?
Really tight.
And I'm going to get it going and you're going to pull.
Oh, that's it. Whoa.
Now let your hands slide a little bit.
Can you
Let your
slide?
hand slide. Don't hold it too tight. Let
That's
go.
it,
That's
perfect,
it.
perfect. Now pull, pull,
Well done.
pull, pull.
Good straight pull. Good boy.
Well done.
Whoa, mad.
Gently. Timing.
Pull,
Very good.
pull. Now stand up straight, don't bend your knees. It's all in the hands and it's all in your
There.
muscles in the top of your arms. Pull, pull, pull.
Can you hear it?